The state of our mental health is an important contributor to who we are as a person. Our state of mind, the things we do, and the way we interact with the people around us are all affected by personal development as a way of life. It has a significant impact on our overall well-being as well as the relationships in our immediate environment. We frequently get so preoccupied with the material aspects of what is on the outside that we forget to take care of the aspects that are on the inside. When it comes to living a better life and maintaining a healthy state of mind as we get older, one of the most important things we can do is to exercise our brains, both consciously and subconsciously. Everything we do, as well as the people who are closest to us, is impacted when a person is depressed, stressed, tired, or frustrated. You could put yourself in a very precarious situation by isolating yourself from others, but unfortunately, the process of providing assistance must begin with just one person: you. Even though there is a long list of books and professional assistance that is also recommended, if reading this article gives you a jump start to get you even slightly motivated to move forward, then moving forward even an inch is better than staying put. Depression and anxiety will exploit every strength you possess in order to break you down and destroy you from the inside out. It is important to keep in mind that even the most talented person would fail to succeed without persistence. The first steps you need to take in order to gain control of your thoughts and feelings are to be persistent and determined. It is possible that one of your medications is the cause of your depression, therefore, it is important that you discuss this matter with your physician to determine whether or not this is the case. According to a number of studies, one of the most common factors contributing to depression is a lack of interest and activities. When it comes to bettering your personal life, having interests and activities is essential to maintaining mental health, positive self-esteem, and feelings of contentment. Even though this is not very helpful when dealing with boredom or other issues, the best way to improve your mental health is to practice a variety of these techniques until you become proficient in them. It is very simple to forget all of the activities that brought us pleasure when we are depressed. Having motivation can assist us in overcoming challenges such as attempting something new or recalling what it was that brought us the most joy. When I am in need of a little push, one of the tools that I use is to solicit the assistance of my friends and family members in the form of motivation. Give yourself a treat whenever you complete a task, like doing all the laundry before watching your favorite show on television. Take action on the things that are bothering you, and transform a negative circumstance into something positive. Having a good sense of humor helps my situation on occasion, which goes to show that laughter is very beneficial for both our mind and our body. Make an effort not to constantly stress about whether or not you are happy. Conquering your personal issues and finding a way to deal with the emotional pain that you are experiencing can be accomplished by cultivating new hobbies, activities, and friendships and learning coping mechanisms. As long as you are willing to put in the effort, doing this will put you on the path that leads to happiness. Take action on the things that are bothering you, and transform a negative circumstance into something positive. Having a good sense of humor helps my situation on occasion, which goes to show that laughter is very beneficial for both our mind and our body. Make an effort not to constantly stress about whether or not you are happy. Conquering your personal issues and finding a way to deal with the emotional pain that you are experiencing can be accomplished by cultivating new hobbies, activities, and friendships and learning coping mechanisms. As long as you are willing to put in the effort, doing this will put you on the path that leads to happiness.
Hi, Kenny.